The long-awaited Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds is finally here, boasting impressive active noise-cancelling capabilities and extensive user controls. Undoubtedly, these earbuds are a top choice for Android phone users. However, when it comes to enticing iPhone owners who cherish their beloved AirPods, it won't be an easy task. Let's delve into a detailed comparison between the Sony WF-1000XM5 and the Apple AirPods Pro 2 to determine which earbuds offer the best value to suit your preferences. So, without further ado, let's begin.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Starting with the design, Sony and Apple have taken different design approaches with their earbuds. The Sony WF-1000XM5 showcases a classic rounded shape, whereas the AirPods Pro 2 continue with their signature style of having stems. Now, unlike their predecessor, the WF-1000XM4, which received mixed reviews on comfort, the WF-1000XM5 has made noticeable improvements, leading to a more comfortable fit for many users. Sony's earbuds feature a sleek and contoured design, providing a slimmer profile compared to the AirPods Pro 2 with their iconic stem. While the WF-1000XM5 earbuds are slightly heavier at 6 grams each as opposed to the AirPods Pro 2's 5.3 grams weight per bud, Apple's design makes them more manageable and less prone to fumbling during handling. Both companies include 4 sets of ear tips in various sizes: extra small, small, medium, and large, to ensure a personalized fit for users. Sony goes a step further with the WF-1000XM5, offering a redesigned memory foam ear tip that are easier to squeeze and fit, enhancing comfort and noise isolation. On the other hand, Apple supplies silicone ear tips with the AirPods Pro 2, which might not block out as much ambient noise as the memory foam tips provided by Sony. When it comes to sound quality, the Sony WF-1000XM5 and the Apple AirPods Pro 2 offer similar performance, but the AirPods Pro 2 tend to align more closely with the general headphone preference curve. This means that most people will likely prefer the way the AirPods Pro 2 sound out of the box compared to the default tuning of the WF-1000XM5. Though it's essential to have a trained ear to distinguish the nuances between these two earbuds. Both deliver impressive audio quality, but the 1000XM5 may reveal a slightly boosted bass, which could be noticeable to some listeners. One significant advantage of the WF-1000XM5 lies in Sony's in-app custom EQ feature. This allows you to personalize the sound according to your preferences, enabling you to fine-tune the audio to your liking. On the other hand, with the AirPods Pro 2, you're limited to Apple's tuning and adaptive EQ technology. The adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the bass and mid-range frequencies in real time, ensuring consistent sound quality across various listening situations. Both the Sony XM5 and the Apple AirPods Pro 2 utilize Bluetooth 5.3 for the wireless connections, ensuring a reliable and efficient pairing process. Additionally, they both support Bluetooth LE audio, which enables low-latency streaming from compatible source devices, ideal for enjoying content without having any kind of audio delay. When it comes to audio streaming, the WF-1000XM5 offers a broader range of Bluetooth codecs, including SBC, AAC, and LDAC. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2 are equipped with SBC and AAC codecs only. The Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds employ a dedicated setup of 2 processors and 6 microphones solely for noise cancellation. Similarly, Apple's AirPods Pro 2 also boasts a 6-microphone array with their H2 chip aimed at achieving an effective level of ANC. If you prioritize superior sub-bass frequency cancellation, Sony's buds are the way to go. However, when it comes to reducing frequencies from 150Hz to 1 kHz, the AirPods Pro 2 exhibit an edge, offering up to 15 decibels more noise reduction compared to Sony's earbuds. The AirPods Pro 2 effectively silences the noise from bustling urban environments like the sound of trains and buses. The ear tips of both earbuds provide excellent noise isolation, blocking out ambient noises. However, the memory foam tips on the WF-1000XM5 take it a step further, practically muting such disturbances. Moreover, Sony's implementation of mesh covering on each earbud significantly improves ANC performance, specifically in windy conditions. This feature becomes particularly advantageous during outdoor activities like walking or running. Sony claims that the WF-1000XM5 can provide an impressive 8 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, with the total listening time extending up to 24 hours when you consider the additional power available from the charging case. This is the same duration offered by its predecessor, the WF-1000XM4. In comparison, the AirPods Pro 2 offer up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge. However, their charging case allows for an extended listening experience, providing a total of up to 30 hours. The Sony WF-1000XM5 is priced at $299 and is available in 2 color options, black and silver. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2 comes with a price tag of $249, so you'll have the AirPods Pro 2 at an affordable price point compared to the WF-1000XM5. We think this is not bad considering the features we'll get. In short, for Android phone users, the Sony WF-1000XM5 it'd be the preferred choice over the AirPods Pro 2. Sony has made significant improvements to enhance the comfort of the WF-1000XM5 compared to its predecessor, the WF-1000XM4, and the new buds now stand toe-to-toe with the AirPods Pro 2 in terms of performance. But for iPhone owners exclusively, the decision becomes a bit more challenging, as the WF-1000XM5 delivers comparable ANC and sound quality to the AirPods Pro 2. While both options would be solid choices, Android users can take full advantage of the WF-1000XM5's extended feature set, giving them an edge in terms of functionality and customization. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.